Alright everybody, so today's haul from Harbor Freight. So I got this digital battery tester, item number 69892. Does everything from alkaline, NiCad, lithium, nickel metal hydrates. And then I got this double-ended 1/4 and 3/8 wrench style ratchet. And it's got like wrench style reverse and forward. This is part number 67994. I got this magnetic 6-inch magnetic part holder for free. Part number 61428. I got this Quantum because I already bought one and I really liked it a lot, so I bought another one. It is part number 63935. It's 215 lumen, 55.9 feet. It's got a really strong magnetic base, so I bought another one. I got this Braun 175 lumen, 20 lumen flashlight. 15 hours runtime. It's got a magnetic base and a swivel base. And this one I got for $5. This one I got for $3.99 instead of the $7 or $8.99. This I got for $23 instead of $39. This I got for like $3 instead of the like $9 it was. And then I also got this Braun Slim Bar rechargeable LED 390 lumen light. This one is part number 63958. I heard a lot of good reviews about it, and it's really bright. And it's also got a magnetic base. And this one, I just turned this one on real quick. They're all pretty bright. This one actually makes the camera wave. So, if you guys like these videos, please rate, comment, subscribe. Check out my Patreon. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks. See you later. Bye.